I wonder what that could be. What's up, everyone? Christian here, back again with another vlog. And today, I got something special. One of my parts arrived, probably one of the more important parts. Ignore this stain. I got it from work and I didn't feel like changing my shirt. Well, this is an undershirt. Well, my undershirt. But yeah, anyways. You see the intro, you guys probably have a pretty good idea. I was looking for it used. I couldn't find it for the Fiesta, unfortunately. I mean, you could use a Focus one as well, but to be honest, it was almost the same price to buy it new than used. So I was just like, whatever. I'll just buy it new, and I just save myself problems, you know. So you guys are gonna watch me unbox it because, my God, my dogs. You hear my dogs fighting each other. But it's gonna be unboxing. All right, so this might be an awkward angle, but that's the best I can do. So let's get to it. It's my unboxing. You know what? I don't want to cut the box. I already just cut a bug right here. And do this. And look at this. Look at this. Ooh, baby. All right. Let's see what's in the box. And my pug is right behind me. He's pushing me. All right, let's see. Your Accessport is finally here. Maps are already on your Accessport. Check out the quick start guide to using right away. Don't forget to register your Accessport and download Accessport Manager to get free firmware updates. Manage your maps and data logs. All right. I'm guessing. You know what? We'll wait for the Accessport last. Let me guess. This is a chart. My dogs are really loud. Probably gonna be the connections and all that. So I guess this is one of the mounts they gave you, which I got another mount. I'll show you guys later. Let's see. So I guess this is the mount comes with it. I really don't think it's gonna hold up too well. Thoroughly clean, desired, firmly bend flex tabs. For attaching, peel off, yeah. I got another mount, so I mean, I'll show you guys in a little bit. And here is the cable. Connects to the Cobb Accessport and the OB2 scanner or port. All right, that's the main deal. There's stuff on here. Here is the actual Accessport. Comes in a case. Really nice case, actually. I don't even know when I'm ever gonna use it because it's always gonna be connected. So, I'm guessing this connects to your computer when you want to update it. All right, put that to the side. And then let's see what goes this. Oh, there's a mount that goes. Your Accessport goes into it, and then you put a connection. Well, I'm guessing this one, but I'm not gonna be using this one, so you just slide it up and I guess it just holds like that. All right, and then what's this? Oh, you also get a faceplate. Shoot, sick. And I guess this is a manual. Well, I mean, I'm probably gonna have to read this really good because I do not want to mess something up, especially in a brand new car. Ooh, and some stickers. Wow. I'll probably put those on my car, even though my wife doesn't really like stickers, but I'm still gonna put them on. Add like 15 horsepower. And here's the actual Accessport. Shoot, this thing looks fresh. Huh. Free maps, preloaded. Remove film. Okay, this thing looks really nice. Which, I mean, the case is nice and all, but when am I ever gonna use it? It's always gonna be connected in my car. Well, unless, I don't know, maybe I'll take it off sometimes. But okay, anyways, well, here's a mount. The other mount I bought on Amazon, like 10 bucks. Honestly, I prefer this. You know, it goes on the window or front glass. Just connect it. Mount. It was only like 10 bucks. I'll probably put the link on the bottom if you guys are interested in this thing. So I guess that was just a little unboxing of my new Accessport. It's one of the things that came, but I still got more things in mind. And I'm gonna probably show you guys what's like when I learn more stuff about this and all that. I'll probably tell you more about it, but I mean right now I'm pretty new to this, so I don't really know much. But yeah, this is one of the things that we're gonna come. That was pretty fast actually got here. Thank you, Cobb. I'm probably gonna show you guys more on this, and if I do feel a difference, I'll probably have stage 1. And that's probably it for now, because I can't really do stage 2 until I have another thing that I want to get. But I mean, pretty sure stage 1 is good enough for now. I can't really, I mean, it's been really hot lately, so either way, turbo cars aren't making much power unless you got to upgrade an intercooler. I mean, and even then, it's really bad for your car. So anyways, I'll keep you guys posted on an update on this. And thanks for watching. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe.